Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Uswatun Hasanah. I'm from Psychology Program Study, Faculty of Psychology and Education, Muhammadiyah University of Sidoarjo. Today, I will present my article entitled The Relationship Between Teacher Emotional Regulation and Maladaptive Behavior in Preschool Children in Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK student. Maladaptive behavior is deviant behavior that is not accordance with the context and condition of behavior that apply to each environment. Maladaptive behavior often appears in preschool age children as of child adjustment to a wider social environment. According to Webster, example to maladaptive behavior are tantrum, aggressive, and depressive behavior, with the result that his behavior is classified as dangerous for the child future. Maladaptive behavior that is not managed early on will have a negative impact on child development. The impact of maladaptive behavior in children will have a negative impact. For example, that children are less able to manage their emotion. Children are prone to experience depression, anxiety, stress, and other psychological disorder. So, intervention is needed so that maladaptive behavior is inherent in the child character. The character is a social agent who plays an important role in changing children behavior. To deal with children with maladaptive behavior, teachers need stable emotion. Emotion play an important role for the teacher when dealing with various situations in the school environment. According to Senkal, the management of this emotional is used by the teacher as a strategy to regulate his emotion, which is defined as emotional regulation. So according Wisner, teachers who have good emotional regulation can weaken the maladaptive behavior in their students. Teachers with good emotional regulation will find it easier to deal with adaptive behavior raised by children at school. The purpose of the study was to determine in the relationship between teacher emotional regulation and maladaptive behavior of preschool children in Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK students. The next is the method. The method used in this research is a quantitative correlation, which aims to determine the relationship between variables. This research used two variables, is emotional regulation as a variable independent and maladaptive behavior as a variable dependent. The subject is KB oral TK teacher Aisyah Sidoarjo who has student with maladaptive behavior, and the population is 265 teacher. And the sample used in this research is 200 KB oral TK teacher Aisyah Sidoarjo who has student with maladaptive behavior, determined by quota sampling technique. The data collection technique is a psychology scale questionnaire with a Likert scale model by using the ERQ, Emotional Regulation Questionnaire Scale by Gross and John, with 10 items with reliability 0.783, and the maladaptive behavior scale used in this study used the Strength and Difficult Questionnaire or SDQ by Goodman with 25 item with a reliability of 0.75C. The data analysis technique used the Spearman rule correlation method, through JASP, and linearity use SPSS for Windows. Next is a result of demographics. This descriptive analysis is used to provide information related to the demographics characteristic of the search subject. Demographics data in this research show that the number of male students is greater with a totality percentage of 74% compared to female student with a totality percentage of 26%. And based on age category, the most children are 5 years old with a percentage of 45.5%, and the least number of children is 4 years old with a percentage of 25.5%. The category of teacher education level with the most respondent in this study was the bachelor level of education, namely 58.5%, and the last was the master level of education with a total percentage of 0.5%. In the category of the respondent position in this study, the most were teacher position with a percentage of 87%, and the last were school participant position with a totality percentage of 13%. The next is a normality test result. Based on that assumption check, Shapiro will test for private normality is know that the significant value is 0.009, and this value mean the less than 0.05, p amount less 0.05, and it can be said that the data is not normality distributed. Based on this statement, it can be interpreted the data from this variable have a abnormal distribution. The next is a linearity test result. The result of the linearity test on both variables show that the significant side of linearity is 0.000, less than 0.05. So it can be concluded the relationship between emotional regulation and maladaptive behavior is linear because they meet the requirements of the linearity test. And the next is a correlation test result. The result of the analysis show that the correlation coefficient R is minus 0.54 with a significant value of 0.001, P amount 0.05. This show that the hypothesis proposed in this study is accepted. The result of this study indicate that there is a significant relationship between emotional regulation and maladaptive behavior, and the direction of the relationship so is negative. So that the higher the teacher ability regulate emotion, the lower the maladaptive behavior displayed by student. Conversely, the lower the teacher's ability to regulate emotion, the maladaptive behavior raised by student, the higher the Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK. And the last percentage scale categorization. Result of the maladaptive behavior scale categorization based on the categorization table, it can be included the majority of children with maladaptive behavior in Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK are in moderate category with a percentage of 43.5%. And the results emotional regulation scale categorization. Based on the categorization table, it can be included the majority of teacher in the Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK with high emotional regulation are in the high category with a percentage of 53.5%. The next is conclusion. Based on the result of research on the relationship between teacher emotional regulation and maladaptive behavior in Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK student, it shows that the hypothesis proposed in this study is accepted, meaning that there is a significant relationship between teacher emotional regulation and maladaptive behavior of Aisyah Sidoarjo KB or TK students, with the majority of teachers with high emotional regulation as much as 53% and majority of children with moderate level of maladaptive behavior as much as 43.5%. So it can be said that the higher the teacher emotional regulation, the lower the maladaptive behavior rates by student. And the last is acknowledgement in this research. This research is expected to provide a preference for further research by incorporating emotional regulation or other factors related to or influencing maladaptive behavior to be included in more psychology studies. And the second, the weakness in this study is that the data distribution is not normal or it uses non-parametric statistical analysis. The result of this study can be generalized. Other researchers who are interested in conducting similarity research can increase the number of population with different characteristics. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.